Gold and silver started off the week with a little retracement. We have seen gold moving all the way towards 32.97 and silver struggled at 36.20, now trying to erase some of the gains for the day. Can we say that the highs are done? Are we looking forward to a reversal here in the metals? Or it is again going to bounce back and we can expect a rise? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to offer you twice a day updates so that you can profit across sessions, be it the Asia session, US session, or Europe session. Yes, the first update I always release with the Asia and Europe session. The subscribe plus the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly chart, see it has formed a good base here at 3260. With that as baits, we have seen the highs. It is trying to erase some of the gains. Once it trades now below 3276 zone, you can take a sell. And once it trades below 3276, the possibility of a move towards 3266 and 3258 will be high, below which it might turn bearish. Yes, if it trades below 3266 and 3258 now, you can expect more bearishness to prevail, and then I'll wait for 3248.50 zone, below which it can deliver a greater correction. Notice what it has done. As we have discussed, drop retracement, and this is what we had discussed. Though there is still room for further rise towards the top of the channel, somewhere between 3310 3320, but it is a struggle around 3300 itself. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has retraced, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is also trading with moderate bearishness. Coming to 2-hour charts, look at the 2-hour charts. The drop, the retracement, 20 period offered it a good resistance, hitting 20 period, trying to reverse. Now, once you see it is staying below 3276, expect that it might in fact erase the gains from this candle, possibly moving towards 3258. 60 zone. I think that should offer a very good support for gold. If it trades below 3258, stay short for 3250, and below which a greater correction should follow. Stochastic looking down. MACD here has crossed over at the bottom and it is trading with divergence looking upwards, though there is not much of room available on the upside for gold to rise. But right now it is struggling. RSI placed comfortably on the 3-hour charts, and similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts after retracing towards 20 period, trying to reverse, and thus once you see it is staying below 3276, you can expect a good drop towards 3266, 3258, and below that a good drop should be seen. But right, let's not jump onto that conclusion unless and until critical supports are breached. While on the upside, notice a move beyond 3300 should mark a reversal where we are heading towards 33 0810, 3314, and then 3320 levels. These are the three levels it needs to breach in order to confirm further upside. Stochastic at top here, the MACD, if you look at, it is crossed over, just crossed over, and it is not showing any divergence, almost staying flat, not showing the strength for a further rise. RSI flat here. On the 4-hour charts, and on the 4-hour charts, notice preceding candle. See this red line, which was the resistance, now has support earlier, now has become the resistance, trying to reverse from same, and now if you see it is staying below 3276, we can expect more bearishness. Now notice here, see the move, drop retracement. It is reversing from the midway, which suggests 3300 is going to be one difficult level for gold to breach now. And if it does trade beyond 3300, more bullishness should prevail. Stochastic at top, the MACD after hitting the bottom is now trying to cross over, which is a good sign for the bulls. RSI is placed at the bottom, and on the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, first of all, we have discussed this in our weekly and daily forecast. See this, see this, see this. It has breached this channel, and this time it has tried to bounce back beyond the channel, almost hitting the bottom of it. It is now trying to pull back. Now it is pretty important where it closes today, because see, if gold closes the day in green, that is if it stays above 3260, we can say that possibly this could begin the reversal here. But a drop below 3260.58 and then 3250 should confirm a stronger bearish momentum on the downside. It might take it all the way towards 3220 and in fact lower levels as well. Be mindful of the stochastic here is oversold. The MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI placed comfortably. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I offer you the levels, if you also want to learn this art of trading, do join my mentorship batch. The next batch is announced soon. You can reserve your seats now, register yourself now, reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And If you're looking forward to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. And those who are looking for a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Considering this, first let's talk about the levels to. I will now recommend you to buy if you see gold trading beyond 3290. Now, or rather, I will say 3288 itself, that is the zone 3288.90, which should offer a good resistance. If gold stays beyond this time it might head towards 3300, 3302, and if that is taken, we can expect 3306 and 3314, 3320 levels. Beyond 3320 is where the bulls are waiting. Beyond 3320, this time possibility of a move towards 3330, 3340 should increase, but see, this is very important for gold to breach this zone 3340.60. As long as it stays below 3340, 3360, you have to be careful with the bias here. Prices can again reverse and drop. On the downside, as I've mentioned, the selling entry to be at 3274, where 3276 rather, where you can expect 3266, 3258, and 3248.50. If that is taken, 3240 is a must, and then in fact 3220 will arrive soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see 36.20 levels, which I have mentioned should offer a good resistance. Price is reversing from the same zone. Now you have to wait for it to stay below 35.80 and 35.60 zone. If this zone is taken, you can say bears are back in silver. You can look forward to 35.20 or in fact $35 levels. Look at the moving averages. These have crossed over. These are trading bearish, and the same zone is offering it a good resistance. Be mindful of this. Stochastic hitting the bottom here. The MACD trying to converge crossover for sale. The RSI is trading with modest bearishness here. Coming to 2 hour chart, similar observation. Notice this. See what it is trying to do first. The drop retracement, and now forming double top. It is trying to erase the gains. So once it trades below 35.80, 35.50 levels, certainly you can say more bearishness should prevail towards 35.20 or in fact $35 levels. Moving averages crossing over here makes 36.20 a greater resistance. Be mindful of this. Stochastic looking down, the MACD trading with bearishness, the RSI is looking downwards as well. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. Notice this. The resistance at 36.20 acting pretty strong. Let's find out how the support at 36, 35.80, 35.50 should offer, because this zone is going to remain pretty important. 35.80, 35.50 zone, below which you can expect a good move towards 35.20 or in fact $35 levels, and trading below 35. This time silver is heading towards 34.50, 34 zone. Stochastic looking down, the MACD trading bearish, the RSI looking downwards. On the 4 hour, the observation is same. After the drop, finding it difficult to break beyond 36.20. Price is reversing. I'll wait for 35.80, 35.60, 35.40, and I'll say once it trades below 35.50, 35.40, stay short for this time 35.20 and $35 levels possibly. Yes, the slide is going to be stronger once it trades below 35.50. More bearishness should prevail here. Be mindful of this. If you look at the stochastic, this is a top. The MACD is crossed over trading bearish. The RSI is also trading bearish here. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, notice preceding couple of candles. See how it has traded, taken the support, bounce back. Then couple of red candles trying to bounce back. It is possible that it may try to trade something like this, deliver something like this. As long as it stays above 35.50, 35.20 zone, we should not be treating silver as bearish. That is pretty clear. Once it trades below 35.20, you can expect a good drop all the way towards 34.80, 34.50, or in fact $34 levels here. Yes, be mindful of this. The slide could get stronger once it trades below 35.50, 35.40 zone. More bearishness to prevail here. If you see the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD here, this is important. Crossing over at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is dropped as well. So considering this, buying trades is pretty clear. 36.20 levels should be the only buying entry for the day, and beyond this expect 36.40, 36.60, and then 36.85. If these three levels are taken, it's stay bullish. And now it is pretty important. Remember, we have discussed this several times that see 36.65, 36.85 is what it has to break, because see what will happen if this is taken, then we can expect a greater rise here, because this time it might hit higher highs. But right now I can see a struggle here, and where it closes today, that is going to be pretty important, because see once it turns red, it may get a pull on the downside, though we can see higher lows, and specifically once it trades below 35.50, 35.40, this time the slide could be pretty strong. This time we can see it hitting 35.20, $35 zone, and in fact we can expect 34.50 and 34 as well. So take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you.